Hey guys, it's TJ7903, and this is an unboxing of an LG G Flex 2. So yeah, sorry about that. I just had to actually get the knife open so I don't cut myself with it. Okay. Here's the LG G Flex 2. It's scratched up. It does have a curve because it's the G Flex. That's kind of the main big feature of it, or the main selling point probably, is that it has a big curve in the middle. It says it's in B condition, but yeah, so I'm gonna turn it on, see if it has power. Probably not. I'll probably have to charge it. Yep, I'll have to charge it. I'll see if it works, and maybe I'll do like a review or something on this thing. So yeah, that was me, TJ703, and stay tuned for other stuff and videos and other unboxings and everything. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, peace out.